Welcome to this luxurious motorhomes YouTube channel. Today, we are about to take you on an unforgettable journey inside the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome, a masterpiece of engineering, design, and comfort that redefines what it means to travel in style. This is not just a vehicle. It is a moving luxury residence crafted for those who demand the very best in every mile of their journey. From its striking exterior to its opulent interior, every inch of this motorhome has been designed to impress. Let's begin with the exterior, because the first impression is everything. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome greets you with a sleek, aerodynamic silhouette that looks like it's gliding forward even when standing still. The body is finished in a stunning cream pearl white metallic paint, accented with subtle black detailing that adds depth and sophistication. At the front, the bold Mercedes-Benz emblem sits proudly on the grille, with the name Mercedes-Benz displayed clearly on the number plate area, leaving no doubt about its heritage. Slim, high-tech LED headlights frame the front, giving it a modern, confident look that commands attention on the road. Large tinted panoramic windows stretch along the sides, offering privacy while hinting at the luxury within. The triple-axle design, paired with low-profile performance tires and polished alloy rims, not only enhances stability, but also adds to its commanding presence. Every curve, every line, and every surface has been sculpted with precision, making this motorhome a true work of art. Now step inside, and the magic truly begins. The moment you enter, you are welcomed into a spacious, well-lit lounge area that feels more like the living room of a high-end penthouse than the inside of a vehicle. The lighting is soft and ambient, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Plush leather seating, finished in rich tones, invites you to sink in and relax. The craftsmanship is impeccable, with premium wood accents, polished metal trims, and high-quality materials everywhere you look. The open layout ensures that the space feels expansive, while clever design touches make every inch functional and beautiful. Moving into the kitchen, you'll find a fully equipped gourmet space that allows you to prepare meals with the same ease and quality as you would at home. Stainless steel appliances gleam under the soft lighting, including a modern induction cooktop, a built-in microwave oven, and a large refrigerator to store all your fresh ingredients. The countertops are finished in premium stone, offering both durability and elegance. Ample storage cabinets ensure that everything has its place, keeping the kitchen clutter-free even during long journeys. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast before hitting the road or preparing a full dinner for friends, this kitchen is designed to make cooking a pleasure. The driver's area is a marvel of comfort and technology. The ergonomic leather captain's seat is fully adjustable, ensuring that long hours behind the wheel are as comfortable as possible. In front of you, a fully digital instrument cluster provides all the information you need at a glance, while the advanced navigation system keeps you on the best route. The steering wheel is equipped with intuitive controls, allowing you to manage entertainment, communication, and driving settings without taking your hands off the wheel. The panoramic windshield offers a commanding view of the road ahead, making every drive not just safe, but also a visual delight. Driving the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome feels less like operating a large vehicle and more like piloting a luxury SUV, thanks to its smooth handling and advanced driver assist features. When it comes to luxury, this motorhome leaves nothing to be desired. The climate control system ensures the perfect temperature no matter the season. Entertainment is top tier, with large flat-screen TVs, a premium surround sound system, and high-speed internet connectivity to keep you entertained and connected wherever you go. The bedroom area features a king-size bed with high thread count linens, promising restful nights after long days of travel. Blackout shades ensure complete privacy and darkness when you need it. The bathroom is equally impressive, with a full-size shower, designer fixtures, and even heated floors for that extra touch of indulgence. Every detail has been considered to make life on the road as comfortable and luxurious as possible. Of course, all of this comes at a price. and the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is positioned firmly in the high-end luxury segment. This is an investment for those who refuse to compromise on comfort, style, or performance. The cost reflects not only the premium materials and advanced technology, but also the prestige of owning a Mercedes-Benz creation of this caliber. For those who can afford it, the value lies in the experiences it enables. The freedom to travel anywhere without ever leaving behind the comforts of home. Thank you so much for watching this tour of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome all the way to the end. Your support means the world to us, and it's what allows us to keep bringing you these exclusive looks at the most luxurious motorhomes in the world. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a future tour. And in the comments below, tell us about your favorite motorhome. Who knows, it might just be the star of our next video. Until next time, safe travels and see you on the road.